Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to another interesting video. In this video I'm going to discuss exercise 2.7. Here we have question number 1. Find two consecutive positive integer whose product is 72. Here we are given a question. We have to find out two consecutive positive integer whose product is equal to 72. So the solution for the given question is let pass integer is equal to x. So we take pass integer as an x, then the second integer will be x plus 1. So we can write then second integer is equal to x plus 1. Now according to the given condition which we are given in question, that the product of two consecutive positive integer is equal to 72. So we can write x into x plus 1. X into x plus 1 is equal to 72. And now if we multiply x with x plus 1, so we get x square plus x is equal to 72. And now if we subtract 72 both sides, we get x square plus x minus 72 is equal to 72 minus 72. So 72 minus 72 cancel, so we get x square plus x minus 72 is equal to 0. Now it's a quadratic equation. We have to solve this quadratic equation using factorization. So we can use factorization. With the help of factorization we can solve. So x square, if we split x into 2 factor, plus 9x minus 8x minus 72 is equal to 0. And now if we multiply plus 9x minus 8x, we get minus 72 x square, and if we add we get x. So from first two term, if we take x is a common, so we get x plus 9. And from second two terms, if we take minus 8 is a common, so we get x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now we can write x plus 9 into x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now here we have to use zero factor property. So by zero factor property we can write x plus 9 is equal to 0. If we subtract 9 both sides, we get x is equal to minus 9 and x minus 8 is equal to 0. So if we add 8 both sides, we get x is equal to 8. Now here we have the values of x. X is equal to minus 9 and x is equal to 8. So as we are given in the question that x is a positive integer, since x is a positive integer, so we take x is equal to 8 because x is a positive integer we already given in question. So we can write, so first integer First positive integer is equal to x, which is equal to 8. So now we have to write a second positive integer is equal to x plus 1. So if we put the values of x, which is 8, so 8 plus 1, so we get the second positive integer is equal to 9, and the first positive integer is 8. So hence we can write the result that the first positive integer is equal to 8 and the second positive integer is equal to 9. And this is all about today's lecture.